Check for traffic.
Yeah, all okay.
Hello and welcome to another video. A bit different this one. This is a special. I'm with Mark and Roger.
Can't see out the front screen view there.
Oh, as you might be able to see, we're on a boat. We've got it for three nights. Two, yeah, 3 nights. We're on the Norfolk Broads. We've no idea what we're doing, but it should be a laugh, whatever happens. What is the date today? 2nd of August 2024. Roger's tacking across the river as we're going out the boatyard.
He's trying to, isn't he?
He's trying to.
Yeah.
So yeah, the plan is to do a bit of fishing and if we find some nice spots. But either way, we intend having a laugh one way or another. So yeah, this video is going to be something a little different. So hope you enjoy it. So yeah, so I think well, at least until we get out the boatyard anyway, I think I'll leave it there. Catch you in a bit. What's going on?
When we were old water, we used to fly up and down. Different though when you're on boat.
Hey?
Things look different when you're on a boat, you know.
I do, yeah.
Take the handbrake off, Mark, can you? It's still dragging. Hey, you're doing a wonderful job, Rob.
What do you mean you're dragging?
I think we've got to stop just before this bridge, wasn't it? Did you say we've got to more before the bridge?
Was it before or after?
You said before the bridge, wasn't it?
Where's that? Are we going in the right direction?
Yeah, I think so. And it's mouth.
I see any signs here.
Right.
See, I'm sure running around there if you don't look.
So if we had the name of the place, we'd be able to look it up, I suppose.
That's not your look.
Hey?
What's that?
Oh yeah.
Sign there.
I don't know. Oh,
Something.
yeah, that's going that way, isn't it? Nice bit of water. Bit broader here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bit broader on the Broads. Lovely jubbly.
Well, you did say about 8 o'clock get there, wasn't it? So that's 3 hours.
You know, more up before. Still in the eyes, Trev.
Close them then.
Easy to draw that from front, isn't it?
Oh yeah. We don't want to look like that.
Hey,
What?
just saw a fish. Plastic there.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, honestly.
Oh, big one?
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, boat coming. There's a boat coming, the Roger's driving, so I'm just going to go and get myself strapped in. Get me safety belt on. Hit the boat, that'll stop you.
Well, keep going, he's got plenty of room.
Pirates dead ahead. Are we going to get boarded?
Hey,
Are we going to get boarded by pirates? Someone's moored a bit up. Sunbathing on the roof. Put your hand up. Can't say that.
Hey. Fucking hell.
fans, you know,
There's
your
some
own
blokes on there as
YouTube.
well. Oh yeah, I can't say that. I'm too Mark. Well, I've got to. I have to beat that. Yeah, don't bump them. They're fishing. They're moored up the other day. I can see a fishing rod. How you finding it, Mark?
It's all for this, is it?
Yeah, piss. It's cakewalk, isn't it?
4.2 will that do?
Near enough.
Get there a bit quicker,
Yeah.
won't it?
Yeah. We won't get more money refunded from petrol, diesel, whatever. No. We've got to get to the pub, Mark, before it gets dark. We have. Oh, what's that going across the water up? Is that a water snake? I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's picking up as a grass snake going across the water. Yeah, it's a grass snake. Yeah. Never know what you might see. What the fucking hell was that?
Stall slip on
The
the
fender.
Roger's moving something.
Yeah, it's bowels the sound of it. This is all rather jolly, isn't it? Been looking forward to this for, well, since we booked it.
What's this belong to? Your camera?
Yeah. have a snooze, Mark. So what would you say? Hour slot, so you're there for what, an hour now? What time is it?
10 past 5.
Okay. You're happy with that, yeah?
What's that?
For an hour?
What, for this?
Yeah.
Oh, I've done 10 minutes.
Oh no, it's got to stop clock, Mark. Oh. We'll leave it there for now. Right. We've been on, how long have we been on going now? Half an hour? We've probably been going half an hour. We're on Barton Broad. This looks quite nice. Very reed lined.
Come on, see!
Mark, shows your wipers. Hang on, let me come inside. How's the wipers? Oh, hang on.
Is it raining?
Yeah, not the best wipers, are they? Okay.
I'll put that down then. Get more drag.
We don't want drag. We don't want to slow it down. Yeah, I will make the fucking waves, whether you want to or not. Was that the floating pub that Jamie Clark went to? When it was, oh no, that was in Vietnam, wasn't it? Which side of the island did you say we were? Because is that the, that was a grassy island you're on about, wasn't
We've
it?
got to go that way. We've got to go left, I think. Left is this way.
Just watch these sailboats as well, Mark. We have to give way to them, don't we? Huh?
We're a big boat, right?
Yeah. We're big boats, they naff off. Not really. We won't really be like that. Not on camera anyway. Yeah. So anyway, I'll say that's Barton Broad. Very nice. Yeah. Hey?
Oh, bear to the right. Bear right.
Yeah, right. What?
Missed the bear.
What bear?
There's
There's no bears.
A hot bear there was. They've got more worry than us, Rog.
I bet they have.
No, they've got more worry than
I think they must have more worries than us, but I suspect having a house like this helps. Hey?
How am I going to keep my boat now?
By the swans ahead. No, actually it's up the swans.
You don't have to give way to them.
No, going straight forward.
Nice little pad. Hey, Mr. Swan. There you gone. He ain't moving. Go on, move. He will move in a minute. Oh, you've run the swan over, Mark.
Right?
You ran the swan over.
That's swallow, you know.
This is a kitchen. You might have skipped a little bit of the video because I had to turn the music down. That's why I've got banned for copyright. We go down here. I've got a microwave in here. Look. Yeah, the fridge. This is the fridge. Yeah, a couple of beers in there. Then we go down here. Bunk beds in this one. This is Mark's bunk beds. This is his room. So you've got a little seat, look. A seat for him to sit in. Wardrobe. Go out of there. Next room. Bathroom. Shower. Sink, pump, flush, bob. And the next room is mine. I've got a double bed. Oh, pictures hanging up even. Tiny pictures. Set of drawers. And in there. Toilet. We've got two toilets. No, it's sweet, but we've got two toilets. And this is Roger's bedroom, right at the back of the boat. You touch Roger's, it's a mess, look at it. Terrible. Right at the back here. I'm not exactly sure how big the boat is, but Roger seems to think it around the region of about 42 foot, which sounds about right looking at it. It's a big boat. I think it was one of the longest boats on the yard. The chap who showed us around it and told us how to manoeuvre it said it's a long boat. He kept stressing it's a long boat. There we are. To the front. There we go. That's the boat tour. Right. Boats in the pain in the bum. Yeah, a lot of boats on Norfolk Broads, strangely enough. But here we are. It's the first full real day of our little adventure. We're actually fishing. Let me just, I don't know what, I'll tell you what, hang on, bear with me. We've got Roger here doing a little bit of fishing on one end of the boat. Then we've got Mark doing a little bit of further field, lure fishing. What you got? My net? You caught my net? I bought a new net today. I've already had my trebles in it, and now Mark has. How we getting on, Rog?
Yeah, alright mate.
No, not there. You ain't caught out.
I'm enjoying myself.
That's the main thing then. Definitely, yeah. Nice looking. We've moored up in a wild patch here, a little bit of sort of grassy area. There's no way in or out.
Herons
Sure.
make all the fish drown, like you said.
Yeah, lots of no end herons. I must have seen 10 herons already.
Is that all you've seen?
Well, yeah, probably more. You see, yeah, we're just moored up here. Bit of wild mooring, I think they call it. Mark's just jumped in my spot, so I thought I'd do a bit of filming. Because it won't be much of a video if I don't. I'm going to put this net a bit more sort of out your way. Well, I don't know what's best really. How we doing, Mark?
Marvellous.
Enjoying it?
Oh, fantastic.
We didn't get drunk and be silly last night, did we?
No. What did you?
Roger did, it was awful.
Yeah.
Only blocked the toilet. I'm going to whisper, I'm going to talk, I don't want to hear me, but yeah. Roger blocked the toilet up and he spent most of last night and this morning trying to unblock it. But there you go. Life in the open ways, eh? What time is it? Probably about 10 o'clock, is it?
20 past now.
20 past already, of
Yeah,
course.
we've got 5.5 hours to do Roger.
Yeah, I was up at 5:30 because somebody moving about. I shan't mention any names. Yeah, it's been good so far. Stopped at the, what is it, the Dog Inn? The Dog Inn, that was the Dog Inn. Not Dog Inn, what Dog Inn last night, it was just at the Dog Inn. Had a meal, had a nice meal, it was quite nice. Bit of cider, a bit of gin. Job was a good one. Quite comical walking home from the pub in the dark along the river bank in the pitch black. Can't Mark catches a fish for camera.
I don't think that's the one.
They've both got
Not very
small lures on
good.
at the minute. I've had a go. I didn't do any good. We'll probably get. I don't know how long we're going to get it and then move on. Do you think?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. We've had a breakfast. We've had a bacon butchers, so we're ready to go. We'll probably get into. Well, probably won't give it much longer here. We don't seem to be doing any good, but we'll probably unmoor and move up further along and find another spot to try. What do you reckon?
Good, mate.
Sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
Gotta find a pub.
Yeah, we've got a bit of time. We're not. What are we doing? Are we pubbing it for dinner or are we pubbing it tonight? I know Roger don't like to eat too late. Interferes with his drinking, I think that's the problem.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just.
Hello, back again. And today it's Sunday. I'll be honest, I've done my recording. And first of all, fishing, we had what bit of fishing we've done is a bit insane. We haven't done any since, but it's about 10 o'clock this morning. We're just going and looking for somewhere to pull in and do a bit of fishing. So we spent most of the time looking for pubs, if I'm honest. But we've been having a good time. We're on the move. I'm going to show you what I can. Where we're going. Morning. The heading down. Where are we heading down towards?
Upton,
Upton, that's it. Going through that direction.
Acle.
We're not going as far as Acre, are we? We're going
Aren't we?
towards Upton. Got Roger at the helm, is that what they're saying? When you're driving a boat? How have you found the experience of being in a boat with a couple of idiots like me and Mark?
Devastating.
Devastating. I think you'll ever get over it.
Yeah, I don't think I will. No. That's actually alright, mate. It's just
Pretty good, isn't it?
when it
so
comes
far?
to reversing the bloody thing, it's the worst, and I think, yeah.
It's a long boat, you know.
This is a long boat, you know, yeah. Is it a long boat, Mark?
It's a long boat, this is.
Yeah.
There's
Very long boat.
There's a pub at Upton Dyke.
Eh?
There's a pub at Upton Dyke.
Oh, is there? Well, we might not get much fishing done again.
Open
pub?
at 12.
Same as a pub?
We did.
White Horse.
The White Horse.
Ah.
That's one we've not tried yet.
Does food.
Eh?
Does food.
Does food.
Mm.
Yeah, 'cause we're only interested in the food, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let me show you a map. Show you the map we're following. Here's the map. Where are we? We're here somewhere, aren't we?
Yeah.
Down here. I don't know if that will show up on this camera or not. But yeah, we're coming down into Upton. So that's where we're at up to now. So hopefully we're going to get a bit of fishing done again today. Did a bit of spinning, that's all we've done up to that. We didn't have any luck with that. I've seen a lot of people doing a bit of fishing on boats, but we've not really seen anything big and caught. Just Mike, because he might be tacking.
Yeah.
That's the thing with sailboats, you have to watch for them tacking across you. And as soon as you start going that way, bomb past him, get past. Oh.
Beach party weekend at the pub.
Is it
We've
really?
missed it.
Hey?
We've missed it.
Oh, sounds all right. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. We'll make our own beach party. Yeah, go on, Rog, check it. Woohoo! Flying past the sailboats. Doing 6 miles an hour. Is everyone laughing the fast
Well, we're speeding, Trevor. Doing 6.2, but it's slow down a bit,
Oh,
mate.
you know, yeah, you'll kill someone.
Alright.
Right, when we get to, oh, just give me around. Yeah, so when we get to where we're going, or we get moored up for a bit of fishing, I'll turn you back on and you'll get to see it. So, catch you in a second. Right, are we filming? Yes, we are. Right, so we've moored up. Where are we moored up, lads?
White Horse Inn.
White Horse, yeah, that's where we're going. We're going to the White Horse Inn. We're actually moored up at
Upton, is it?
Upton Dyke. Upton Dyke. And while we're off the boat, I just thought I'd show you the boat we're on, called the Solitaire.
It's very long as well.
It's a very long boat. This is a very long boat. Just give you a quick look before we get to the pub. We haven't done any more fishing yet. We couldn't find a spot where we could actually moor up and do a bit. Let me go back a bit. But yeah, that's a boat, the Solitaire. It's a 6-berth boat, but it's a very long boat. Very long boat. Yeah, it's great on the boards, but trying to actually moor up and find decent fishing spots isn't quite so easy. You can fish all of it. You can fish spots, but I'm only in mooring spots where there's a lot of boat traffic and Probably get fished a lot on that. Probably not going to do so well. Hey?
You just can't park your boat nowhere.
You can't just park anywhere. It's not quite as easy as mooring up as we thought it was going to be, is it? Yeah. So we couldn't really fish anywhere, so we were going to the pub instead, which we're absolutely gutted about, obviously. I was just going to look at the sign, I think.
Number plate? Yeah, it's probably someone's boat. Oh,
Right, so by the way, it's Sunday, we're going for a Sunday dinner. Not just to drink. We don't drink much. Oh, dinner time anyway. Right, catch you in a bit. Again. What time is it, Mark?
5:30.
It's 5:30. We haven't quite managed to do any fishing. We just seem to have found a pub and we actually sort of spent there a bit longer in the pub than what we planned to do. So what's the plan now, Mark? What's this?
Pub.
Oh yeah, so we're looking for another pub now. We've got more up, so
We're back to the dog inn.
the dog in, not dog in, dog in.
Dog inn.
What do you reckon, Roger? What sort of day has it been? It's not been great for fishing,
not
has
been
it?
great for fishing, but it's been nice for.
Yeah, but we did look for somewhere to fish, didn't we?
We did look for somewhere, but we
Are you going the right fucking way? Because this looks awfully narrow.
don't swear, don't swear.
Sorry, no, you're right, I bleeped that. Oh, are we going the right way? Because this looks...
Oh no, you're navigating. You
I'm not
said right at the
navigating.
next turn.
Oh. I don't remember coming through anything like this.
Hey, you said right at the next one.
This is a long boat, you know.
Well, that's a long
It's a long boat. It's a long boat. Look, it's a long... Look down there, look, it's a long boat. It is a long boat.
You said right at the next turn, so I did.
Well, it said... Yeah, but I'm looking then, it might have been wrong. Oh God, I thought it was coming now.
You're navigating, not me.
We ain't been down here. This ain't the right way, it's only that. And we can't turn round.
Watch ice cream man.
Oh, it's the ice cream man. Do you have an ice cream?
Ding, 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 ding.
There's the ice cream boat. This looks awfully narrow, Mark. You've been sat there, Rog.
I'm busy eating my crisp bread.
Wait, you have to close your eyes for that, do you?
Huh? No, not really.
Not really. That sound over sure.
I don't eat them very often, but I enjoy when I do.
Well, I don't know where we are now then. You just don't know it. I know that much.
We're on the
We
river.
should have been. Did it say the river ran?
We're just right at the next turn.
Yes, but was there a signpost or anything?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
there was.
Mr. Rog
Didn't see it.
just said right at the next turn, so we did.
It seems awfully narrow.
Yeah, but don't forget, I came up with narrow bit when you were taking the piss.
Did I? No, taking the what?
Taking the mickey.
Nicky. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
Do you reckon it might be right?
could well be, yeah. Looks familiar. I've seen them reeds before.
Let's have a look. Yeah, they don't look familiar. It's a long boat, you know.
And the water looks the same,
It's
Trev.
a long boat. I just showed the length of the boat.
Shame you can't suddenly go into the
Very long boat. 40 odd foot.
You had his life jacket on, you could, couldn't you?
Is that where it is? Still fishing, is it? We'll have to go down the pub then. Again.
Oh, I don't fancy going down the pub again.
You know,
Been in the pub twice,
Where are
that's
yours,
enough for me.
Oh, yeah. Why? What? What?
what?
Unless you're going to drag me there.
I'll drag you there.
So you're going to drag me back home though. That's the
I'll
thing.
drag you back.
Yeah. Jolly good.
I don't think there's going to be much fishing on this video, is there?
It's going to be done.
Be a bit like the rest of our videos, Trent.
No, normally there's no fish. There's fishing, just no fish. What's that says? Danger, narrowing channel or something.
Can we get narrow?
I don't know, Mark. No, it's sure, it's not getting there, it's getting shallower.
Shallow.
I think we've cocked up.
Right. No, you're on the line.
Are we really? Are you sure?
This is the river act.
It's
Don't worry,
a lot
Trev.
narrower than I remember it.
Go in the right.
You see, you were sport, you see, you had the wide bit to drive on and we had the narrow bits.
Yeah.
When you were
Oh,
taking the
give me
piss.
a break.
Yeah. We had to do the arm work.
Yeah. What did you do?
I'm reversing it. Oh dear.
By the way, I've not done a lot of filming footage because I've been most of my time steering the boat.
Hey, we're near the dog in now then. If this is
Wait.
the bridge. If this is the bridge, we're near the dog in.
Where did we park last time?
The other side of the bridge.
Did we?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the, facing this way, but we're on the, no, facing the wrong way, weren't we?
We're facing the wrong way.
Yeah, last
We'll be
time.
facing the
There's
right
a
way.
nice bit here we can pull in, we can do a bit of fishing or we can carry on to the pub. What do you want to do?
Well, I think might look like it needs a gin and tonic.
Do you think he needs one?
Do you need a gin and tonic, Mark?
Is he dehydrating?
Oh,
I think he's very, very dehydrated.
So where are we going then?
God knows, we're all pissed.
We can't get in that side, can we?
This is the same place, isn't it?
I don't know, you say it is.
There's a bridge though, isn't there? There's a bridge.
It's the only bridge, isn't there? Isn't it?
The
There
bridge.
is, there's supposed to be a bridge if we
Yeah.
come the right way, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, it's on there, low bridge ahead.
Oh, okay.
That's private, so we can't park there. Can't park there, mate.
Can't park there, sir. This is going to be the problem again.
Again.
Nowhere to moor.
I won't go as far as say parking's a nightmare, but it's not easy, is it? If you get parked up midday, then you're fine, but anything after 3 o'clock and you can start to struggle.
Everybody's moored off and buggered off back home to go to work.
I know, isn't there a
Nice
bridge?
boats and some crappy ones. That one's got such a good one. I want to spend a week in that one anyway. Yeah, alright. Alright. That one's could do with a bit of a clean up.
Oh, yeah, we've seen that
Remember that
before.
one,
Before, didn't we?
Remember, we saw that before,
Yeah.
Trev. Yeah.
This little wooden one's quite nice, isn't it? Quite a pretty little boat.
Little dingy.
Right, I'll leave it there for a minute and I'll probably turn you back on when we try and moor up just so you can have a laugh at that. I just thought I'd film this because we're going under a bridge and Mark might get it wrong. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Not for me, because I'm
Is
the
this
one.
private mooring on the left here?
I don't know, I can't see.
Looks like it. There's some signs there, says private mooring there.
Which side do we need to be?
Well, it don't matter.
No, we can get over
We
the
can
bridge.
go across the bridge again.
We'll be pointing in the right direction, it doesn't matter.
Parked on the left last time.
What's that sign there? Proc?
What?
What's them signs say there?
Demasting area only.
Sorry?
Demasting, it's for sailboats, isn't
Oh,
it?
right, yeah.
Not us then.
That was, we ain't got a sail. We can buy one, I suppose, can we? I don't know.
Mooring for sail vessels.
We want a bit that says mooring for morons. Anglers must make way for boats seeking to moor. Okay.
Demasting area only.
See a spot over there behind that boat on that side.
Signets here. Get out of the fucking way.
They don't care, do they?
Hey?
They don't care, do they?
Don't care, do they? We ain't gonna get in there, sir.
No,
Not gonna get
it's
in
a
there.
very long boat.
Where did we park last time?
Just
Oh,
there,
yeah.
somewhere, just here, somewhere.
Down here a bit further, wasn't it?
We'll go back in there then.
I don't think we're gonna get in there, sir. This is a long boat.
It's a long boat, you know. It is a long
sir.
boat.
There's no room there.
Well, there's a fishing video, so I'll show you someone fishing.
Could have got in there.
Well, doesn't look like we're going to the dog in, chaps.
What about in there? Can you get in there?
Can't get in there. It's a long boat.
I don't think you're getting there, no.
What about this one here?
Can't get in
Massive
there.
gap. Massive gap here, look.
Won't go in there. Long boat.
It's a long boat, you know. It's a long
Hey?
boat. I don't know actually. This one you might get in.
You alright? Let's have a
It'll be
look.
tight, but it'll be alright. You have a look, Ron, because you're better at judging looking than that. Stop, Mark.
Stop. Stop.
Is there anywhere past here, Mark? Rog, can you see?
Hey? I don't know, mate. It's hard to say. Just
Are you gonna
Right, we're going to have to stop it here, because
stop.
we're about to crash.
anchor me up?
I think you
That's what we call you.
Right, so we
Oh,
managed to
really?
find a mooring, thanks to Mark's
That's
excellent driving. Mark, Roger's excellent.
tell you what, I'll just do you. I don't figure out where I can't make it. I can't do it.
We can park a boat, but we can't make noodles or
Yeah.
microwave.
Yeah, put yours on.
Hey, I'll put
I don't want to wait. I think you do it in that thing. I'm sure you do. But
your cheese.
I've got cheese, mate.
I might put some on top of me. I might put a layer on top of my lasagna.
What? Noodles?
No, no cheese, not noodles.
Oh. Noodles and noodles. What are noodles?
We got oodles and noodles.
Noodles and noodles. Hey?
We just realised why we didn't have much room in the fridge because Roger's basically acted out full of noodles.
Not just noodles. Noodles and noodles.
Enough to feed a family of 4 for a month. So there, I'll just show you the little space. There's the front end that we managed to squeeze in. We squeezed in the back there, look. Can you see? 3 more. Just past the little couple that are fishing. Couple over there.
Yeah.
If they've caught anything. They've probably done more fishing than what we have.
Oh yeah. Everything with it.
Well, we won't have time to do any more fishing, I don't think. Let's go get them probably again. Start with it. There you go.
You have plenty of room, Rod.
Plenty of what?
Plenty of room to get in, didn't we?
Yeah, just about. Yeah.
Loads of room, Mark. Get a bus in there. Oh, we're probably a bit bigger than the bus. Right, so we're going to have our teas.
Long boat was left here.
This is long boat, you know.
Yeah, long
This is
boat
long
was
boat.
left here as well. longboat.
It's just a long boat. They'll probably just come apart.
Hey, don't worry about it, mate. I'm sure you're not.
Anyway, we're on video now, so I need you to be funny. Come on, do something funny. So, what was you going to do then? You got a camera shy? Are we waiting for Mark's microwave?
I sure am.
Katsu curry.
Katsu curry.
Are you having two? Are you having two lots of
No.
You having noodles? Oodles of noodles.
Mushroom.
Smells just like ground bait.
I've never tried it, man. I don't know
Probably
what it's
some of
like.
that mixed in.
You never know. It's mushroom linguine.
Something like.
Looks like something the cat's chucked up.
Jesus Christ, you're not going to eat that, surely to God. Oh my Christ. At least he's got a cabin on his own.
Looks like he's got fur on it.
Probably has.
You never know. A kilo of you'll know why.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go down to the pub, have 8 pints, come back. Then when it's bad in the morning, that bloody noodles I had.
I think the chance of me having 8 pints at the pool are pretty remote.
Yeah, I've had half of that already. Yeah. Right, I'll leave it there. I'm afraid there ain't going to be any more fishing today.
In the fridge.
Yeah,
Where are they then?
in the bottom,
Are they?
behind the eggs.
Are they?
Yeah, let's put these back in then.
You need to both anything a little.
No, we could have lived off Roger's noodles.
If you'd seen we were going out, I think was it? You said to me, what you taking? I said, oh, so and so. Yeah.
I said bring a few snacky things if you want.
Oh, well, just in case.
Right, I'll leave it there.
Well,
Catch you in
how
a
come you
bit.
got 4 plates out now?
Is there 4 there?
Yeah. You're having 2 meals then?
Well, you've got plenty of noodles, so I thought you might need another plate. Why have you brought that?
Well, I'm afraid the fishing didn't happen. But we have moored up near another pub. So we think it'd be rude not to visit the establishment. We're lucky to find that spot. There's a good bit of parking. Keep talking.
Hello.
Shall we have some more beer?
Well, yeah, that would be implying that we've already had some more. Oh yeah.
I think we can have a couple of G&Ts, lad.
G&T's?
Yeah. You can have a rum and coke if you want, Mark, or rum and...
He drinks Bacardi.
Only when I've had enough beer.
Bacardi man.
The ladies
So have you
drink
had yeah, it is really, isn't it?
Gin and tonics, no.
Excuse me. No, me and Roger drinking gin and tonic.
That's a manly drink.
I'm drinking rum anyway. Yeah, fucking man's drink. Yeah,
Rum and black.
you're drinking Bacardi.
I've got to start
No,
drinking
I'm
gin.
going to have a beer.
Oh, you want to have a beer?
I've got to start drinking gin, because I've got a beer belly coming.
We're going back to the dog in. I mean, dog in.
Yeah, we're going to dogging.
Going to the dog in. The boat in dog in. She's over there. Is that over? Is that over there? Is that it? It is, isn't it? The pub. Is that the pub? No, it's further down, isn't it? We've got a bit of a walk. Oh, leave it there for now. day. We're coming up to Barton Broad on the way home. Big bit of water we have to cross. I am. Right.
You want to go down where that boat is and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
All that boat is like,
Yeah, anyway, as I was about to say, it's Monday, is it the 4th of August?
5th of August.
5th of August, Monday 5th of August I think, 2024. And this is the last day sadly of our little excursion, our little adventure on the Norfolk Broads. It's sadly coming to an end. We're on our way back to the boat mooring place, whatever you call it. Yeah, we've had a good time. It's been brilliant.
Oh, the boatyard trip.
Boatyard, that's the one. I think it's something like that. Let's turn you around. So what do you think, Mark? What? You had a good time?
fantastic, mate. Really
Enjoy
nice.
it.
Really enjoyed
Been
it.
fun, hasn't it?
Not enough fishing, but there you go.
We didn't get enough fishing in, no. Why was that, do you think?
Too many pubs.
Just too many pubs and nowhere to moor. Don't think he knows where he's going, does he?
No, it's the water that took me, honestly.
The water took him. What about you, Roger? I know you're concentrating driving, but what?
What's more?
You had a good time?
Yeah, it's been alright, yeah. Good laugh. Didn't get much fishing done, but you know, had a couple of days in.
got plenty of beers in, a few gins in. Let's just have a look. Let's excuse me a minute. I'm just trying to work out where we're going.
On the wrong way.
You want to be up there, follow that boat?
All of that boat, right?
Well, I said to you, where would fucking boat there? Yeah, go
All
up
of
there.
that boat.
Yeah, but I didn't know what I was on about.
Sorry, I didn't swear.
Yeah, I can't swear, Roger, we're on video.
No.
So yeah, we've all had a good time, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't be too enthusiastic, Rod.
Well, concentrating for it.
Sorry, you're alright, yeah?
You
Got
can slow
dodge.
down a bit now.
Yeah, 4 more an hour, I think. Mark's map reading, make sure we don't get lost on the way back to the boatyard.
Oh, someone has to.
Huh? You are.
Someone has to.
Someone has to. Let's face it, none of us have got much of a clue.
We're a bit more, you're the best map reader.
Yeah, you're the map reader, Mark. You're the navigator.
Trevor's the mooring man.
Mooring man, the mooring man. Moron man.
Moron man, yeah.
Moron man.
More like it.
What's Roger?
Uncle Albert.
Uncle Albert.
In the war.
During the war.
In the war. When I was in the merchant navy.
Yeah.
In the war.
You spotted any U-boats? Yeah, it's been a good laugh, enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if there'll be any more after this, so this might be the last segment. I've got to pack the kit away along with everything else, so this will probably be it. So yeah, sorry if you've watched this expecting to see our fishing and there's well, barely been anything, if anything.
It's supposed to draw on the rubber.
Yeah, so yeah, obviously you don't know
As long
that.
as you
But
are, Rog, don't worry about it.
yeah, don't worry about it, as long as you're doing the right thing. Yeah, so we'll wrap the video up here, and it's goodbye from Mark.
Cheerio. Toodaloo.
And goodbye from Roger,
Yeah, bye-bye.
forever enthusiastic. He loves his videos, old Roger does. Right, and it's goodbye from me. I'll say I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.